Let me show you how Chime can help resolve employee questions faster using chat. So employees get hung up with a lot of technical or complex issues. The new version of Chime is a SaaS application. We include a full FAQ and content management system, and we connect employees with where they are, which is in Teams, and then we bring them up and either connect them to the service desk, show them a list of tickets, maybe an HR system, or another department that might be helpful. So here we have one inbound channel right now with Chime. You can install it via the Teams App Store. And when this user comes in, they're displayed a list of their open tickets, and maybe that resolves the issue, or they can route, in this case, to the service desk. Before we were going to route them to an agent, though, we're going to connect them with an Azure ChatGPT instance that's actually trained on this company's custom FAQs. So we've engaged with Azure ChatGPT, having a normal conversation with the ChatGPT instance, and there's actually FAQs and custom information essentially overlaid on top of this model as well. So conversation can take place. It could be in multiple languages. In this case, some replies are sent back. Behind the scenes, we're capturing all of this information for reporting. We can route to agents, and we can also escalate it across dashboards. Information's at chimev5.com. Thank you.